In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download PDF files directly from Google Chrome. When you click a PDF link in Chrome, it usually opens inside the browser using Chrome's built-in PDF viewer. That can be convenient if you just want to read something quickly, but it's not ideal if you want to save the file to your computer right away, organize it in folders, or open it with another app like Adobe Acrobat. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change a simple setting so that PDFs are downloaded automatically instead of opening in a tab. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. This works the same on Windows, Mac OS, and most desktop systems using the latest versions of Chrome. Once Chrome is open, look toward the top right corner of the window. You'll see the 3 vertical dots, which is the main menu icon. Click on those dots to open the menu. From the drop-down menu, move your mouse down and click on Settings. This will open a new tab with all of Chrome's configuration options. On the left-hand side of the Settings page, you'll see a list of sections. Find and click on the section labeled Privacy and Security. Inside Privacy and Security, look for an option called Site Settings. Go ahead and click that. This page controls how Chrome handles things like permissions, content, and different file types. Scroll down the page until you find the area related to additional content settings, and then look for PDF documents. Click on PDF documents to open the specific options for how Chrome deals with PDF files. Here, you should see a setting that controls whether PDFs open automatically in Chrome or are downloaded. Turn on the option that says something like Download PDFs or Download PDF files instead of automatically opening them in Chrome. Once this is enabled, Chrome will no longer open PDFs in a tab by default. Instead, whenever you click a PDF link, you'll see it start downloading, and it will appear in your Downloads bar at the bottom of the browser or in your usual Downloads folder. To test that everything is working, open a new tab. Go to any website that has a PDF link and click it. If the setting is correct, Chrome should immediately download the file rather than displaying it in the browser window. That's all you need to do. With this one change, you can quickly save PDFs to your computer and open them with any app you prefer, without Chrome interrupting your workflow.